Hey guys, wanted to show you some stuff I've been making here lately, upgrading my gear, doing some DIY projects, and I made a new hammock. I made every bit of it except for the carabiners. So I'm gonna set this up and give you guys a good look over that real quick and talk about the weight of it and everything else compared to my old one. So I'll be right back in a second. Alright, here we go. Start off with, I have an 7/64 Amsteel fixed ridge line, which is a fixed loop on both ends, which was actually a pain in the butt to do, but it just slips over this part, which is locked on there with 7/64 Amsteel whoopee sling for adjustment. And I have made a strap that is 1-inch Venom webbing, which is 2.2 grams a foot. So this is really light stuff, it's really strong. And have aluminum carabiner on there. Got plenty of it so I can go around some bigger trees. And the fabric is a 1.2 ounce double ripstop. It's supposed to hold up, like, supposed to be safe for 250 pounds, I think. But with everything together, the hammock, suspension and everything weighs 10.5 ounces. In my old hammock before, with everything, even with lighter suspension and those carabiners off my old hammock, but it was 18 ounces, so saved almost half a pound on switching to this. And it is a lot wider. It's 9 foot, but it's 66 inches wide. So the old one was like, I don't even remember. It sucked. It was heavy. It stretched. It felt like it was gonna rip. It would make all kinds of noises when I was getting in and out of it. And it's supposed to hold like 400 pounds, but I highly doubt it would hold 300. This one, it's like half the thickness of the old one, and I believe it would hold twice as much. Oh, pushed it up. But it's really wide. Like, really wide. You can use it as a chair. I really like it. It almost lays sideways in it. Pretty nice. And oh my gosh, it's comfortable. This stuff feels like silk, almost. And I'm short, so a 9-foot hammock works alright for me. I'm about 5'5", not very tall. But it works. I like it. Came out really nice. It was really, really light compared to the old one. It's really simple to hang up. There's only one thing you gotta really mess with. That right there. Wrap this around, hook that on the strap, and that's it. Right there. Hook that on, you're done. Both ends, of course. Pull on this, tighten it up. That slides in and out of itself. So that's a lot of adjustability. So there's that. Fixed ridge line, really lightweight, 9 foot by 66 hammock. both ends. I think that's it. Really nice. I really like it. It's a hell of a sight better than my old tropical hammock from Snugpak, but that was a really cheap hammock too, so can't really complain with it. It did its job. And that's that. Have a good one, folks.